I have very obvious freckles from a very young age. My mum had it and I have it as well. It is always something that we have expected, yet at the same time, I do hope that a brightening serum or sunscreen could do something for my skin, but they never did.
I love the sun. When I'm not at home watching Netflix, you'll catch me baking under the sun at a beach in Sentosa. What I don't love is the after effects of the sun on my skin. Even though I try to reapply my sunscreen when I'm outdoors, I still get effects such as uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and rougher skin. And then I started on Miriqa Skin.
Miriqa Skin is a game changer for me. I was quite skeptical at first because people around me don't really consume oral sunscreen, but I decided to give it a try because my ex-colleague introduced it to me. And I did a little bit of read up on Miriqa Skin and realized that they are very legit because they are actually backed by science, and they also use natural ingredients like non-GMO tomatoes.
I tried oral sunscreen in the past, but Miriqa was better because it was easier to swallow and didn't have an unpleasant taste at all. I also like that it comes in a Hygienic blister pack, so I don't have to dig into a bottle for a pill like I would with other supplements. It's just super convenient to also use the blister pack to track my consumption. Miriqa is also a well-reviewed brand that's safe, and the supplements are formulated with clinically proven ingredients that have been used for more than 10 years.
I was quite impressed because I see a reduction in redness by using just 1 week of Miriqa Skin. And after using it for a month, I do see that my skin is less dull than before. And also, because of this frequent exposure under the sun, I do not see any pigmentations adding on to my skin, which is quite surprising as well.
After trying the supplement for about a month, I started noticing an improvement in my overall skin health, and around 1.5 box later, I even started noticing a more even skin tone and reduction in freckles. I'm really pleasantly surprised by the results.
I finished 2 boxes of Miriqa Skin supplements and can't wait to go for the 3rd box to see brighter complexion and a more even skin tone.
I definitely recommend it to anyone who enjoys the sun, but doesn't want their skin to suffer its effects just like me.